Another. Show ko sa inyo. Going to Christmas party, guys. It's my gift.
Yep.
There's nothing I can eat in there.
Except cheese.
Just this. I'm gonna get salad.
Ah.
I got a lot of gifts. Guys, this is my gift from my Secret Santa. Samahan nyo ako, guys, mag-unboxing tayo. show ko sa inyo kung anong nasa loob nito. Ito muna yung sa Secret Santa ko. Like that. This one. Oh, wow. Look at that. I love it. There's a lot of hair thing. Nice. And another hair thing. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. And I have her is another hair thing. And I have candle. It's a candle. It's a candle. See? I have candle. And I have gloves. See? I have gloves, guys. Yan ang galing sa Santa, sa Secret Santa ko, guys. Salamat. Ito naman galing sa friend ko. Ang ganang bigay nito. We have chocolate. We have tissue. We have panlugod. Then, ano kaya to? Candles. I have candles. I have glass. And I have another gloves. I got 2 gloves today. And I got lip shiner, a pen, I got a earring and bracelet. And I got a sassy thing. And I got underwear, honey. Look at this underwear.
Where'd you get that underwear?
I don't know, huh? This is from Michelle. Crazy. Look at this. I can wear this, guys, and I'm gonna get a video. Crazy, look at that. I don't know where Where this underwear from? I never wear this. And this is a large. I'm not large. I'm not large at all. And one of my favorite gift is this one. Look at honey. Look at that. You have Sky have glasses. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put it to Sky. I'll show you later.